Hi, my sweeties! It's ZAMIRA back with a Cute Creations update. And today I'd like to share with you some of my Decoden projects I've been working on. Decoden is a term used, or it comes from Japan. It's deca meaning decorations, and den, which is short for denwa, which means phone. So it started off as decorations for your phone case. But you don't have to just decorate your phone case, you can decorate anything you like. And what you do is you use a whip and little characters or baubles or anything that you want to decorate with. So the first one I want to show you is this frame. I made it for my sister, and I put everything that she likes or is interested in. She likes sports and games, so there's a basketball on there. I put her initial at the top. And she's a teacher now, so I put some school things up there. And a pin for favorite K-pop band, JYJ. And she loves Nutella. That's very cute. And this whip I made from silicone that you can get at any hardware store. But there's also pre-made ones that you can get online. The next project is this glass bowl. And I used a purple whip with pink sparkles. And I just used all little knickknacks that were pink or purplish. I love that moon, sparkly moon. A little tutorial down there, and a pony, and Minnie Mouse, and Barbie, and a cute little ballerina outfit. So yeah, I think it's really cute. And this last one I made it recently for my mother, for her birthday. It's a case for a Galaxy Note 5, and I used Tokidoki figurines, also very popular right now. They're collectible art figurines, and there's so many of them, many series to choose from. And these are just two of the characters that I chose. And I used a pink whip with glitter. And I just added all these little cute little candies and rainbows and hearts. And I think it's so yummy looking, so delicious. But you can't eat it, it's not edible, so be careful. And yeah, she said she loves it so much. So that's it for now. If you'd like to know how to Decoden, I'll be more than happy to make a tutorial for you. It's super easy and a lot of fun. So that's it for now. Please leave comments below, and don't forget to like and follow and subscribe. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook. So that's it for today, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye!